In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an order on Etsy. Whether you've encountered an issue with your purchase or simply had a change of heart, canceling an order on Etsy is a straightforward process as long as you meet certain conditions. So let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow to successfully cancel your Etsy order. To get started, head over to Etsy.com or open your Etsy app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account. This is crucial as it allows you to access your order details. Once you're logged in, locate the Your Account section. From there, navigate to Purchases and Reviews. This section is essentially your order history, and it's where you'll find all the purchases you've made on Etsy. Now scroll through your order list until you find the specific order you wish to cancel. A key point to note here is that you can only cancel an order if it hasn't been shipped yet. If the item is already on its way, this method won't work, and you'll need to reach out to the seller directly to discuss a possible return or refund. If your order hasn't been shipped yet, your next step is to contact the seller. Directly underneath the order, you'll see an option labeled Help with Order. Clicking on this will open up another option, Message Seller. This is your direct line to the person from whom you purchased the item. When messaging the seller, remember to remain polite and clear. You could say something like, "Hi, seller's name. I'd like to cancel this order if possible. It hasn't shipped yet. Thank you." This sets the right tone for communication and makes your intentions clear to the seller. After your message has been sent, you'll need to wait for the seller to confirm the cancellation on their side. This is an important step because the cancellation isn't finalized until the seller approves it. Once the seller has confirmed the cancellation, you will receive an email notification from Etsy. This confirmation email is also your assurance that the payment for your canceled order is being processed. Your refund will automatically be issued to the original payment method you used, which could be Visa, PayPal, or another method. It typically takes about 3 to 5 business days for the refund to reflect in your account, so a little patience might be required here, and that's it. Following these simple steps will enable you to cancel an order on Etsy smoothly and efficiently. Keep this guide handy for any future need to cancel an order. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you navigate your Etsy transactions more